to you by Thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 18. A series RL circuit is excited at t is equal to 0 by closing a switch as shown in the figure. Assuming 0 initial conditions, the value of d square I by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus is. So we have our four options. A, V by L, B, minus V by R, C, 0, and D, minus RV by L square. Now the figure is a basic RL circuit. So all we have to do is recall and note down the standard formula or the standard equation for the current. We'll start from there. So for an RL circuit, the current is given by this equation. Let me write it down now. Current in an RL circuit. So we have I of t is equal to V by R into 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau, where tau has a value of L by R. So now that we have the standard equation of current, all we have to do is differentiate it twice, because the question asks us for d square I by dt square. So let's start with differentiating this equation one time. So that's di by dt. Okay, so let's first differentiate it keeping tau as it is. Once we do that, then we'll substitute the value L by R. Okay, so let's begin. We have our constant V by R, and now differentiating this part, we get 1 divided by tau into e power minus t by tau. Now let's substitute. We'll substitute L by R only here in this part, 1 by tau. We will leave this as it is. Let's not substitute it here in the exponent. We'll substitute it here alone. So if we write here L by R and R cancels out, which leaves us with, let me note that down, V by R into 1 by tau, that's R by L, e to the power minus t by tau. I hope that makes sense so far. We cancel out R and R. We would have now V by L into e power minus t by tau. Okay, I'm going to write it here. di by dt equals V by L e to the power minus t by tau. Now we differentiated it once. Let's differentiate it a second time. That becomes di square divided by dt square. Now differentiating this entire expression. V by L is a constant, so it remains the same. Now let's differentiate the exponent part. We would get 1 minus 1 by tau into e power minus t by tau, minus V by L tau into e power minus t by tau. Now let's substitute the expression for tau, which is L by R. What do we get? Minus V by L by R, e power minus t by tau. So di square by dt square equals minus VR by L square. Taking R on top, L square, we have e to the power minus t by tau. The question says to find out the value of di square by dt square at t is equal to 0 plus. So let's substitute t is equal to 0 into the expression. Minus VR by L square e power 0. That gives us minus VR by L square. So this is our expression for di square by dt square. And it matches option D. This is the entire solution, and I hope it has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.